Hi, everybody. I'm Janelle Livet, and I'm here today to do a review of Galaxy AI. It's an all-in-one tool. It gives you access to lots of different AI tools to create images, to create prompts. It actually provides a whole heap of prompts as well. And you can earn credits just by clicking every day and redeeming your coupons. So let me just share my screen for you here. Okay, here we go. This is Galaxy AI. Now, as you can see, you can discover and use 3,000 plus powerful AI tools to enhance your workflow. To get free credits, you can see on the left-hand side here, you've got All Tools, which will give you what we see now. So Chat with AI, Chat Arena, AI Prompt Library, YouTube Summarizer, Custom GPTs, Learn with Galaxy, Photo Studio, and so much more. I won't go through the whole 3,000, of course. Now here we've got free credits. Now there's lots of ways that you can get free credits. But what I like to do is just click to reveal and you'll see that I've just won 50,000 credits. Now you'll see over here that I'll have 15 million credits on the 8th of October. That's how many credits I get per month on my $15 a month subscription. Now, you can also get other credits through doing different things. So you can create a detailed video review, which is what I'm doing now. You can put in, and I'll get $100 million, 100 million credits. I wish it was $100 million, 100 million credits. App Store review, Play Store review, Trustpilot review, a Reddit post, a feature request, a bug report, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, blog posts, etc. So here are some examples I'll give you so you can basically model them. You can join the creator program and join the affiliate program. I'm in the affiliate program, of course. Now, let's go back and have a look at all these tools. First, I'll go back to all tools. There's different tools. We've got new tools here. You can take a look at them. We've got generate images using Seedream version 4, which is a AI model. Learn with Galaxy AI. If you go into that, you can watch video tutorials and learn all about Galaxy AI. Here is an AI influencer photo generator. You've seen a lot of these come onto the internet, people actually using influencers to promote their products and make videos out of them. We can generate videos using 2.2 Turbo, AI generated videos from an image, creating another video. So more videos to create, different versions of software that you can use in here. So as you can see, you can generate music using Sonorto. Now, all of these usually have a monthly cost, but when you're in Galaxy AI, it actually comes from your credit, so you're not paying heaps of subscriptions. You can buy extra credits here and you can get lifetime access. Let's have a look and see how much it is. $499, which isn't too bad. That's not a bad price for all these AI tools when you're going to be saving monthly on monthly tools. Um, okay, I'll think about it. That's where I've got to get out. Okay, so that's all your image, the new ones, images, Google Imagen 4, Runway Gen 4. Now, some of them will take a lot of credits, others won't be so bad. I think an image is about 0.05, Talking Baby podcast video, AI user generated content ads video generator, fake chat video generator. That's where you make fake chats like a text chat that's going on. You can download your social medias from TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. And then we've got the AI prompt library, which is unreal. There's a lot of talk about ASMR, which are these types of videos. So as you can see here, they've got prompts for all these types of videos. Spread fluffy clouds on toast, glass fruits crushing, ocean animal beds. Some of them are really quite far out. So basically what you're going to do is You'd get this one here. You'd copy the prompt, or you could use the prompt. And here we are, ASMR mukbang video, close up on person's mouth. The person holds a decorated crunchy type, and then you put in your type of dessert, blah, 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 blah. It says it might take up to 30 minutes, and it would probably take quite a few of my credits. So I'm not going to do that because I don't have an actual. So many people that are making money out of these types of videos, and here are all the prompts that you can get started with, and the prompts come out quite good. And you can always change them to suit yourself or make them. Look at this one, surreal pudding jiggle. Let's have a look at that one. So you can make the jelly out of anything you like. Let's copy that prompt. Oh no, let's use that prompt. Medium close-up shot in a surreal, ethereal environment with reflective surfaces, a large, perfectly moulded type of gelatin dessert. So that might be an upside-down jelly cake or something. And then you put your internal pattern, gently jiggles in slow motion, creating a deep, low-frequency, wobbly wob-wob sound, a thin type of spoon, creating slow, satisfying ripples across the surface with a soft, wet, squishy sound on contact. So you'd fill in where these brackets are to what you want. The only restriction is your imagination. You can filter by models, so you can use Midjourney, VO3, ChatGPT image or Imagen 4, and you can experiment to see which ones come out the best. We've also got image ones, optical art, which might go well on different things, cute pixel styles, realistic ice crystal objects, futuristic 3D capsules, concrete sculptures. So these are all prompts for these. So if we use them, use prompt. A highly stylized 3D character of whoever the celebrity is with an oversized head, expressive facial features, and playful exaggeration. Rendered in a smooth, polished style with the clean materials and soft ambient lighting, minimal background to emphasize the character's charm and presence. So basically, we would just and then it's got more ways for you to use their stuff in here. It's really good. You can learn how to use it. $15 a month. It's crazy cheap. There's so much in here. You've got chat with AI. I love these little prompts here. They always quite cute. Chat with AI. So it takes us into Chat GPT without having to have a subscription for Chat GPT. We've got your image generator, your AI video generator, AI search engine, AI YouTube summarizer. So this one, you could grab a YouTube video, put the link in, summarize the video, and then it's got a little tutorial at the bottom here. It gives you why you need to do this and how you can use it to benefit you. Students, professionals, content creators, journalists. It has advanced AI model, full transcript access, video information, one-click copy. That's a great way to maybe set up a podcast. You've got AI talking photos, so you can put any photo in and make it talk. Upload your photo, create a voice, and then enter the text that you want it to speak, and then you'll have a talking head video. A headshot generator if you need photos for any particular thing. You just upload your photo and it will give you all what to use, how to generate it, how to use it, and here's some of the results. They've turned into perfect headshots. If you needed a video or a headshot for maybe you're getting a passport photo or you want to put it on LinkedIn or your social media accounts, then that's there for you. Custom GPTs. Okay, so here's our GPTs. We've got chat with Elon Musk, chat with Sherlock Holmes, Tony Stark, Harry Potter. So these are a little bit of fun. You could have a chat with it and then put that on as a video if you wanted to, or even have it on, one of those I was telling you about, the chat format that you could put it in. And then we've got copywriter, praying with Psalms, market segmentation, quiz people, all lots of different GPTs that you can use here. Generational wealth builder teaches people how to turn different streams of income into wealth. Here's one that you can actually create your whole funeral with. That's a little bit dark. So heaps of them there. So that's in your custom GPTs areas. Upload a PDF and chat with it. You can build apps. You can generate music, clone your voice, detect if it's AI, it's like AI content detector, a fact checker, a photo studio, generate logos, translate anything, illustration generator, so you can create illustrations like these. It's got tips of how to make them better. You make these beautiful illustrations, and you can probably turn them into colouring pages as well. Text to speech is pretty straightforward. Transcription is pretty straightforward. Clothes changer, background remover, interior design, image to text, and LinkedIn post generator. So if you're on LinkedIn, this will create posts for you, LinkedIn style. So there you have it. Everything under one roof. You don't have to swap from one program to the next program. You don't have to pay multiple subscriptions and try and keep on top of them. You can access it all in here. And if you wanted to add credits, you can start at $5 of adding credits, or just put your $20 that you're paying for advanced for ChatGPT and use it in here. So they're not too bad. $20, what are they, starting at $5 if you want to get less credits. Now these credits have so far lasted me for the whole month, so it's pretty cool. So if you're interested, there'll be a link down in the description. If you'd like to know more, get in touch. Enjoy the money savings and enjoy the power of Galaxy AI. Thanks for watching.